How's it going, guys? I'm here with my 2013 Dodge Ram 1500. And the other day I ran into a problem where my key wouldn't start the vehicle. So I thought, first thing, my battery. I checked the battery, put the booster pack on it, there's a charge, everything's fine with the battery. I checked the starter by pressing the push to start. I hit twice, boom boom, truck turns on. When the truck turns on, I go to insert my key in the ignition, lights go on, but no power to the vehicle. It won't turn it on. So what I thought is that my ignition was blown, it was burnt out. But then I was told to check my second spare key, okay? And when I did that, I soon found out that wasn't the problem. It turns on, okay? So then it dawned on me and I realized my key must be demagnetized. And I looked up a few things on Google and they say if you keep your phone too close to your key, it's possible that it demagnetizes your key and it won't activate your car because the magnet is out of whack or out of sync with the vehicle. So, if ever you ran into a problem like this, before you go and change any parts on your vehicle, check your second key to see if that key works. If that key works, you know that your first key must be either demagnetized or the battery's dead, but this one here locks the vehicle, it still works fine, it just won't turn on the vehicle. Okay, so make sure to check that second key to see if you have power to your vehicle. If not, your ignition may be the problem, but for me in this case, it was my key being demagnetized. Thank goodness, don't have to spend money on parts, and I'm good to drive away in Big Betty. So I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.